Well, day two, I try to let them out. I've been giving them a wee whistle and everything. Hopefully. Oh, here we go. Big white one's get closer. Come on, Megans, come on. I've got to do it. I've got to let them back out now that I can. These youngins are going to get too old at the point where they're not going to have a clue. My throat's in my belly. My throat is in my belly. There's no excuse for it. It's a good day today. I want to go in and like just start clearing my loft, like, but I'm scared in case that scares them. They're used to me in there doing that sometimes twice a day, sometimes once a day. So they ken what I'm doing when I'm doing that. It's a wee bit busier today. Come on then, Means. Come on, up you get. Once you go up, you can get a feed. I know a lot of pigeon men and women, if you are watching, will be saying you're silly, you've got breeders in there. But I've taken my section done. They've bred 3 young in the house. If I don't do it now, am I ever going to do it? I've got myself that wrapped up with anxiety with the lockdown, that now that Scotland's in the clear and I can let them do it, I'm shaking. I'm shaking. But it will only take one. Once one goes, that'll be it. They'll be hungry because I only gave them half a feed last night. Come on, Regans. Come on then. Wee champ sitting at the very right there, see him? This is the thing, they're just sitting watching the move. That one on the left could take half. I'm just sitting taking everything in. I'm going to check that white bird because I see it's like annoyed. I can see it keeps dinging itself. Come on then, Megans. Come on. Come on. They're too comfy, see through lockdown, they've just been far too comfy in that loft, been getting fed regular. Oh, oh. I definitely need one of my older birds up in the sky if a young one goes up. Because they need the... I tell you, didn't I, with this whitings, I could feel it. It's gonna go. It's just sitting, taking everywhere in. Check Eagle. Eagle's the same. So I look at Champ. So's Champ. If any of the youngins go in, I'll probably end up in the hut, definitely, instead of cleaning it. There we go. There we go. There we go. First one's out. Oh, God. Whatever. This is what I wanted, but I've got to get back out. I've got to do it, sorry. I've got to do it. I knew it would be a white bird. I knew it would be a white bird. Don't want you yourself up, pal. I know what it's saying, it's just taking everything in. It's its first time out. It's taking everything in. I used to get excited when I seen them coming out and circling the house, and then they would go away. And this was a way back, God, I think October when I was flying. I was just starting to get them out and just starting to home my 4 main tumblers in there, and I was getting excited thinking the whitings were doing great, circling the house. But then they take that 3rd or 4th circle and then they were away, and I think I lost 4 of them, and then I got married them, as you can, and I've kept these ones in. Right, I think I'll put the zoom down and I'll walk up to the hut. Because that one should be alright up there. It kens I'm not gonna. As long as the dog doesn't come charging at the house. This is the thing, this is when I wished I could hit pause when there's no action, and then start it again when there was a bit more action. But it's 8 minutes and we've got one out. And I hope to God it is hungry enough for me to get it back in. But mind you, when I was whistling, when I first put on the video and I was stepping out in the garden, I was whistling, they all bounded up into that veranda, so they are hungry. They are hungry. This is the thing, if I knew, because it's the youngins' first times out, I don't want to scare them. This is like a risky trap training with the youngins sitting there. Eagle is definitely curious. Eagle's definitely taking everything in. Squad of toonies can have in the heat. My only fear with them is Jenny, my wee speckled hen in there. Eagle's going over to Carla and going, what do you think? If you do it, I'll do it. we'll do it together. Come on, let's go. Big Whitey's just enjoying it up there. Oh, I've no control of him now, is it? If he doesn't want to come back in, he or she, whatever it is, I don't know what that bird is here. I'm stuffed, that's no coming back in. I definitely need to get another bird in the sky if he goes in the sky. I know that much, right? Right. Where did he go? Where did he go? See what I mean? Fucking cunt just went straight. Oh, sorry. I got ratty there, sorry. I can knew that. Just